Rick here again, and I'm here to announce our midsummer air conditioning replacement special. This is your best opportunity to get a new system, high efficient with great options. You can also get great terms. Have your system installed now and get no interest payments until next year. But wait, there's more included in this special, like 10-year parts and labor warranty on your new system. Most companies, if at all, are only providing 10-year parts labor allowance. Be careful, read the small print if there is any. Wi-Fi system monitoring and control. Control your home's climate from anywhere. And get warnings if your system malfunctions while you're away. You need that level of safety. It's very important. High efficiency filter systems. Start using a filtration system that actually cleans the air. Stop using the overpriced 3M Filtrete that you buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. You know, service technicians call these 3M pleated filters compressor killers. They cause other problems as well. Call us, we'll tell you about it. Our filtration system is efficient, simple, and maintenance free. Stop worrying about when it's time to change your filter. We'll remind you. Our systems are the quietest you can find and the most efficient. We have the newest and quietest systems you can find anywhere. You won't find these from just any air conditioning company, but we have them at ALLGEIER Air. Okay, now for the money part. Right now, and for a limited time, we have rebates between $800 up to $2,000. And 6 months same as cash. Make low monthly payments, no interest for 6 months. Now for something that concerns me greatly. Have you ever been told by another company that your system needs to be replaced? Get a second opinion. Call us. We'll come out quickly and give you a complete analysis of your system with our unique, one-of-a-kind, quality control diagnosis checklist. This checklist is a standard form and written in a manner that you can understand. Don't believe what you're told by any person, salesman or technician. The QC checklist will tell you everything you need to know in a manner that you can understand. Remember, you always have options, and we'll present you with all the options you need to make an informed decision. So the final and best reason to call us today is because we are the best. We're better than the others. We have the best systems. We have the best technician team. We have the best install team. We have the best customer service team, best management team. We provide you and your home with the best options, best comfort, best guarantees, best efficient cooling system, best warranty, hands down.